Out there, in the vast expanse of our solar system, hurtles a celestial object that has captured the attention of scientists and the public alike. Asteroid 2024 YR4. Discovered on December 27, 2024, by the watchful eyes of the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS, in Chile. This asteroid, comparable in size to London's iconic Big Ben, has quickly become a focal point of concern and international collaboration. Apollo asteroids are a group known for their eccentric orbits that often intersect with Earth's path, making them objects of particular interest for planetary defense initiatives. The initial calculations, based on meticulous observations and complex gravitational models, painted a concerning picture: a non-zero chance of impact with Earth on December 22, 2032. While the probability, initially calculated at 2.6%, might seem small, the potential consequences of such an impact are significant enough to warrant serious attention and proactive measures. The world watched with bated breath as scientists continued to track 2024 YR4, hoping to refine its trajectory and gain a clearer understanding of the risk it posed. The initial assessment of asteroid 2024 YR4's impact probability sent ripples of concern throughout the global scientific community. A 2.6% chance of collision, while not an immediate cause for panic, placed this celestial interloper firmly on the radar of organizations like NASA and the European Space Agency. The Torino scale, a tool used by astronomers to categorize the impact hazard associated with near-Earth objects, initially placed 2024 YR4 at level 3. This designation highlighted the need for continuous observation and analysis. As the weeks turned into months, the projected impact probability of 2024 YR4 continued to fluctuate. On February 18, 2025, updated calculations increased the likelihood of a collision to 3.1%, briefly heightening global anxieties. However, just a day later, refined models brought a sigh of relief as the probability decreased to 1.5%. The scientific community, while cautiously optimistic about the decreasing probability, remained acutely aware that even a small chance of impact necessitated proactive measures. The projected trajectory of asteroid 2024 YR4 reads like a doomsday scenario from a science fiction film, cutting a swath across the globe and putting millions of lives at risk. Its path, if it were to maintain its current course, begins over the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, far from any major landmass. Moving at an astonishing speed, 2024 YR4 would first encounter the South American continent, potentially impacting the northwestern region. The potential for devastation here is immense, with entire ecosystems at risk of being wiped out. It would then traverse the Atlantic Ocean, its shadow falling upon the African continent. Continuing its relentless eastward trajectory, 2024 YR4 would cross over Africa, potentially impacting the western and central regions. The densely populated areas along its path would face unimaginable destruction. The sheer scale of the asteroid's projected path serves as a chilling reminder of the potential consequences of such a celestial event. As scientists meticulously mapped the potential trajectory of asteroid 2024 YR4, a chilling realization emerged. The asteroid's path placed some of the world's most populous urban centers directly in the line of fire. These bustling metropolises, home to millions, suddenly faced an unprecedented threat from the cosmos. Among the cities identified as being at risk are Bogotá, Colombia, Abidjan, Ivory Coast, Lagos, Nigeria, and Khartoum, Sudan. Further east, the asteroid's path placed Mumbai, India, Kolkata, India, and Dhaka, Bangladesh, directly in harm's way. The potential impact of 2024 YR4 on any of these megacities is a sobering thought. The prospect of such devastation serves as a stark reminder of the importance of international collaboration and the development of effective planetary defense strategies. Section 5. Devastating Consequences, the Potential Impact Scenario. The potential impact of an asteroid the size of 2024 YR4 is difficult to comprehend. Scientists estimate that its collision with Earth would release energy equivalent to 8 million tons of TNT, a force 500 times greater than the atomic bomb detonated over Hiroshima. Upon impact, 2024 YR4 would create a crater approximately 50 kilometers or 30 miles in diameter, instantly vaporizing everything within that radius. The intense heat generated by the impact would ignite massive wildfires engulfing vast swaths of land in flames. A shockwave, traveling at supersonic speeds, would radiate outwards, leveling buildings, uprooting trees, and causing widespread structural damage for hundreds of kilometers. The impact would also eject massive amounts of dust and debris into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun and plunging the planet into a state of darkness. The potential impact of asteroid 2024 YR4 serves as a stark reminder of the destructive power of nature and the importance of investing in research and technologies aimed at mitigating such threats. Section 6. Humanity Fights Back DART, China's Test and Global Response. The looming threat of asteroid 2024 YR4 has galvanized the global community into action, sparking a new era of international collaboration and innovation in the field of planetary defense. One such groundbreaking mission is NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART, which successfully demonstrated the kinetic impactor technique in 2022. DART targeted Dimorphos, the smaller companion of the binary asteroid Didymos, successfully altering its orbital period. This mission proved that humans have the capability to alter the trajectory of celestial objects, a crucial step towards developing a viable planetary defense system. China, too, has emerged as a major player in the field of planetary defense, with plans to conduct its own asteroid redirection test in 2027. These missions represent a paradigm shift in humanity's relationship with the cosmos, from passive observers to active guardians of our planet. Beyond technological advancements, the international community has come together to establish response protocols and communication channels to ensure a coordinated and effective response in the event of a potential asteroid impact. Section 7. Eyes on the Skies, Current and Future Observation Plans. The global effort to understand and potentially mitigate the threat posed by asteroid 2024 YR4 hinges on continuous and precise observation. Currently, a network of ground-based telescopes, including the Gemini Observatory, the Very Large Telescope, the Keck Observatory, and the Gran Telescopio Canarias, are actively monitoring 2024 YR4. These powerful instruments provide valuable data that feeds into complex models, allowing scientists to refine the asteroid's projected path and assess the potential risk it poses to Earth. Looking ahead, the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, the most powerful space telescope ever built, is scheduled to observe 2024 YR4 in March 2025. JWST's advanced instruments will provide unprecedented detail about the asteroid's composition and structure, further refining our understanding of its trajectory and potential impact. Despite the challenge of a visibility gap from June 2028 to April 2025, scientists are confident that long-term tracking efforts will ultimately allow them to either rule out the impact risk or confirm its severity with a high degree of certainty. Section 8. Expert Opinions Weighing the Risks and Reassurances. The potential threat posed by asteroid 2024 YR4 has sparked a flurry of opinions and analyses from experts in the fields of astronomy, planetary science, and disaster preparedness. While there is a consensus that 2024 YR4 warrants close observation and proactive measures, opinions differ on the level of concern and the urgency of developing deflection strategies. Dr. Davide Farnocchia, a renowned expert on near-Earth object dynamics at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, acknowledges the significance of 2024 YR4's impact probability, stating that it is the highest probability ever seen for an asteroid of this size. However, he also emphasizes that the probability is likely to change as more data is collected and incorporated into trajectory models. Dr. Detlef Koshny, head of the Planetary Defense Office at the European Space Agency, echoes this sentiment, emphasizing the importance of continued observation. Dr. Timothy Spar, director of the Minor Planet Center, stresses the importance of international collaboration in addressing the threat posed by 2024 YR4. By working together and sharing data, we can improve our understanding of this asteroid and develop effective mitigation strategies. Section 9. Our Cosmic Future, a Call for Vigilance and Preparedness. The saga of asteroid 2024 YR4 serves as a potent reminder of humanity's precarious existence in a vast and often unpredictable cosmos. While the immediate threat posed by this particular celestial object remains uncertain, It has ignited a crucial conversation about our collective responsibility to protect our planet from cosmic hazards. The era of simply observing and cataloging near-Earth objects is giving way to a new era of planetary defense, marked by technological innovation, international collaboration, and a proactive approach to mitigating potential threats. However, technological advancements alone are not enough. We must also cultivate a global culture of preparedness, one that recognizes the importance of investing in scientific research, supporting space exploration, and fostering international cooperation. The future of humanity, both on Earth and beyond, depends on our ability to confront these challenges with courage, ingenuity, and a shared commitment to safeguarding our planet for generations to come.